This is your captain speaking. Welcome to the bonus.
From the heart of Las Vegas, it's Vegas Slot Videos with Dianaevoni, where the fun happens.
We hope you enjoy the rest of your flight.
I haven't been showing any airplane bonuses because while I've had bonuses on my trips, I have picked so poorly that either I don't get the bonus and I just get the credits, or I pick collect like immediately. But I'm going to give it one more shot here because I love airplane. Reminds me of all the fun that Brian and I and others have had on this game in the past. I'm going for the $6 bet, which could be a big mistake. But maybe Otto wants to drop like 4 or 5 autos. Oops, my button. Oh.
The bonus! The bonus! Let down your hair!
Oh, I got a random bonus. Thank you. Thank you, airplane. That was really sweet. Now, don't suck at picking, Diana. You need to get Otto. Again,
Pick the right
collect.
auto to fly back to the bonus.
I got collect first.
We
Thank
hope
you.
you enjoy the rest of your flight.
Oh,
Do you know what he had for dinner?
I really need Otto.
Get that finger out of your ear. You don't know where that finger's engaged the
Thank
automatic.
you, Otto. I love you,
Sit back and
Otto.
relax. Otto
Get me
will
good
pick for you.
picks, Otto. Please
Get
pick
all
good
the
for
credits.
me. Pick a bonus, teacher. Good choices, Otto. Keep them up. Good money, Otto. Oh, he did collect. I needed you to hang in there longer for me, Otto.
Surely there must be something you can do.
Oh, shoot.
Pick the right auto to fly back
I
to the
knew it.
bonus.
Oh, well. Oh, it gave me a, where were they? There they
Thank you
were.
for playing. Bye-bye.
Okay, $120, no complaints. Gotta love a random bonus. Thank you so much, airplane. And that's about the only way. I'm definitely gonna pick the airplane bonus. Thank you for the random one. Any more random ones, please? Is it possible to get 2 randoms within a few spins? But how about that? I had to pick collect first again. But I give myself credit. I picked Otto. Okay, I'm thinking I'll walk away $42.80 ahead and come back to this later. I had a fun bonus. Maybe we'll get another one later. I get a random bonus since I always pick wrong. 3 or 4 autos. It is quarter airplane. Woo, my purse nearly fell. That one didn't look good. It's open. Okay, we'll use this button because the other one doesn't like me. Otto, I love you. Come pay me a visit. 3 of you, 4 of you, full screen of you. Bonus. Oh, you flew by. Oh, I got it. Oh, I'm scared. I always want to go to the right. Always to the right. I'm going to go to the left. Yes, I got it.
This is your captain speaking.
Well, I hope I
Welcome
don't
to
pick
the bonus.
crap. I need to find Otto. Otto will help me.
We regret any inconvenience.
I'm ordering
Where are you, Otto? Otto.
I haven't flown for a long time.
Oh, I got the
You
first
found
class
the
ticket.
The first class ticket will later multiply your biggest pick.
Oh, I'm excited about that.
fella.
Remember, these are all quarters. Oh, shoot.
Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus.
Yes,
Hope you
thank
enjoy
you.
the rest of your flight. We'll be back to you very quickly.
Where did you get that dress? Looks like I picked the wrong week for smoke.
I am serious.
That was a nice
Don't call me
one.
Shirley. Unlock
Oh, I got the auto bonus. I'm so excited. Auto, pick the numbers. Pick a bonus auto. Pick a bonus auto. You're kidding. He goes to one thing and it's collect. The only good thing about that is, you know, I didn't pick it. Oh, auto. I
Surely
need
there
to
must be
find a
something you can
bonus.
do. It's an entirely different kind of flying, altogether.
Oh, the cockpit.
Keep an eye on that number
Cockpit
3 engine
bonus.
gauge.
I need to pick a one.
We're in
Big
terrible
numbers.
trouble. Over.
Lots of quarters, please. Pick one. More. What are you doing? Oh, restart. Yeah, that's it. Big number. Keep it up.
Sluggish. Like a wet sponge.
Come on. Big numbers.
There's no reason to panic.
Oh, I should have picked the middle one. Still, that's not bad.
Yes, Doctor.
Get that finger out of your ear. You don't know where that finger's been.
Take 5.
I'm getting
You're the
very
only
nervous.
chance we've got.
I know that there's collects around here. Well, there it is.
Pick the right auto to
Keep
fly back to the
flying.
bonus.
I
We
did
hope
it.
you enjoy
I
the
did
rest
it,
of your
guys.
flight.
I picked it. Really?
Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus.
Did it
Hope you
again.
enjoy the
Can you
rest of
believe
your
that?
flight.
That's not that easy to do, guys.
You face some unpleasant facts.
Oh, good. We got the food trade
Would
bonus.
you like to order dinner now? Steak.
Yay.
Steak.
Yes. Should have kept going alternating. Okay, very nice. Turned out to be a nice bonus.
Otto's getting larger.
Another bonus.
Your doctor.
Oh, it's a big, pretty white plane with red stripes.
Oh shoot, I had a feeling I
Pick the
should
right
get
auto
it.
to fly back to the bonus.
I don't have a feeling this time like I did before. Oh shit. At the very last minute I was thinking her. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. But I could have. Oh
Select a
well.
first class seat to multiply your biggest pick.
Oh dear. Oh, I got 5. I got 5 guys. Oh, that is fabulous. Oh, wow, guys. That's like $800 or $900. Super big win. Woohoo! Thank you, Ashley. Thank you. Next time I'll go with my bet at the last minute. But that was fabulous. Got the gold ticket, got auto. The auto failed me big time. Got the food tray bonus and the cockpit bonus. That was so much fun. I just love airplanes. Uh-oh. Whew. Look at that, guys. We are just like $70 away from a hand pay. And you know me, I don't like to just edge into a hand pay, so I am thrilled. Thank you so much, Airplane. I'm going to take a photo.